Hi, and meet my childhood friends, the rabbit and the bunny, built somewhere in 1970s with very good quality plastic. I love them so much, but my kids don't play with them anymore and they are so adorable I don't want to throw them. I always wanted to give them a fresh coat of paint and give them a new life. I've really forgotten how they used to look like before, but I think today is the best day to just get started and give them that new look. The rabbit and the bunny, after 2 coats of white acrylic paint, they already look very much like high-end store porcelain rabbits and bunnies. I can just leave them like this, they look so nice. Or I can give them that antique touch with little gold dusting over them, or maybe I'll go a little further ahead and add some colors to them. This is not yet done, but just a sneak peek. After touches of pink and red, I've added them near the eyes, the nose, the tongues, ears, paws, and it has already started coming to life gradually. I added some blue to the eyes and you might be wondering why, but in the next step when I add black, it will give more dimension to the eyes. I felt little touches of gold will only enhance the beauty, and using a dry brush I added some gold acrylic paint over the fur and some creases to give them more defined look, and I think it has made it more beautiful and glamorous. I hope you enjoyed this video and would be inspired to try some painting of your own old dolls or get some dolls from the market and paint them to give your own customized look. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, a thumbs up, give your comments in the comment section below, and do subscribe to my channel for more inspirational videos on DIY, decor, home, all in a budget. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.